Excuse me?
Alright, so they get a basket and they get to come over and pick out the items. Are we going purple? Can you get it? You got all of them? Alright. Does Ty have all his parts? Do you have a name for that yet? 89? This will be your drill for step number 4 in order to attach the head pieces together. And then your coils are going to be right over here. Those are going to be your antennas for the head. So that's going to be step 3 to take them out. And then if you need any help, you guys are going to press this button and I'll be right over to help. Okay. Do you want help, Gabs? Take that tape off. Can I help you take that off? Yeah. There you go. I got these things off by myself. Oh, perfect. I'm so excited. There you go. I'm excited to meet her. I bet she's excited to meet me. She is very. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Now what do you do? Step 3. Oh, we have to take the antennas out. Okay. So where do each one go? So that one's going to go right there. What's the other one? The white one? Perfect. You should snap in. There. Perfect. This one? Perfect. Yep. Another one. Is it in there correctly? You probably have to match up. Turn it till, there you go. Keep turning it. So I'll show you a little trick. So you see that purple line right there? That's going to line up with this open circle. You're going to press it down nice and tight. Now you're going to use the drill to do the 2 screws that are in there. You're going to press that button right there. Perfect. I'm impressed, Gabby. Awesome.
That's great.
Perfect. You ready? You ready to meet her? Awesome. Let's do it. I'm just going to center her head and we'll make sure it's all nice and straight. There she is. Perfect.
Oh, girl.
When it lights up, you're going to pin it. Activate it. Whenever you're ready, just pick her
Okay. Oh, it's exciting. Oh, she's mine. Hey, over here. She's waking up.
You ready to meet her? paper talk. Very cool. There you go. All your battery instructions are going to be right down here on the bottom of the box on this side. Okay. Sorry. No, you're fine.
Oh my gosh, I love her.
You love her?
With my rubber.
You're going to take good care of her?
I promise.
Okay. So she's going to go into a sleep mode that kind of like controls her own battery. So whenever that happens and she kind of just shuts down, you're going to turn her off and turn her back on and she'll start working again. Okay. So the on and off switch is going to be however you put the pointer on in that button. So you'll take the head off and you'll unscrew the body, how like you put it together, and then it'll be right underneath there. Oh, okay. That's good to know. You guys are all set.
Have you named yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say 2Y 10. Is that for 10? That's how old you are?
And his name's Ty.
Perfect.
He's 10.
So he'll have an upgrade to be 11. Like in a month.
Yeah. Less than that.
Upgrades are good. So they're having a conversation.
Do you guys want a picture?
Hello, how are you?
Alright, Gabby, turn around, Ty, turn around, get a picture of BB-8.
Oh, you guys want to step on the platform?
Okay. Whoops. I like the unit.
Let's get your imaging device first.
Thank you.
Okay, look right here. Excellent.
Alright, thank you very much.
Okay.
I'm a Jedi.
Do not put your faith in the Jedi. They will not protect you.
Yes. He's on the dark side. I'm on the light side. I'm red. You Jedi. How dare you?
That is excellent. I sense that you are near. Do not fear the dark side. Embrace it, and others will fear you.
No, I don't think that. Alright, let's look right over. I don't want anyone to be hearing me. Look right here. Side by side.
Look at them.
We're all set.
I hope we will meet again. If you turn away from the dark side, you should hope that we do not.
You're gonna scan up under a card just outside.
Okay.
Okay.
Save what?
You go get in the picture. You can go over there, baby.
I
He wants in the picture too.
don't understand Wookiee. I'm not the actual Ray.